Hi there! In this tutorial we are going to learn how to find any contact by its number on iPhone. At the moment, if I type last 4 digits of a contact, nothing will happen. But I was looking for the contact of my friend. So, let's learn how to do it. Go to the App Store, type One Dialer, install this app, open it, press OK. Now I type the same digits and it finds the contact of my friend. Just press on it and you can call the contact. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. For more useful videos, subscribe us. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!